If you are planning to apply to Christ University for your admissions of 2026, then trust me, this is going to be a very important video, because in this video, I will tell you step by step of how you need to actually fill in your application form. Trust me guys, so many students create so much of blunders when they're filling the application forms, and later on they'll come to me saying that can we change this, can we change that, oh I've done this wrong, oh I've done that wrong. And I don't want that to happen, because later on changes will not be acceptable. So guys, all I want you to do is please make sure you watch this video till the very end, because literally everything, that whatever your doubts and queries are regarding the application form, everything will be clear in this particular video. Guys, before I get started with that and tell you that, in case if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, pressing the bell icon, following me on Instagram, and please check out my personal sessions. I'll be putting the link in the description below. In case you need any kind of career clarity, please see me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. Please join me for my decoding, micro presentation and skill assessment webinars, which I keep hosting very regularly, and everything about micro presentation and skill assessments you learn there. Along with that, interview preparation 101 is where I will individually taking your mocks and helping you prepare for the Christ University interview, and along with that other colleges interviews as well. So please see me for these. Now let's get started. So guys, this as you can see on the screen, I've opened up the official website of Christ University. Obviously the Christ University's website has recently been revamped, and the colors and all look really good, and this is where you'll find the information of the fact that MBA admissions are open. Along with that, UG and PG admissions for the year of 2026-2027 are open. I have just clicked on apply now, and this is where you will find the list of all the programs. If you are in your class 12th and are looking for undergraduate programs, then click on undergraduate. If you're looking for your masters or postgraduate programs like MSc of chemistry, computer application, which is MCA, or LLM, or even psychology, or media arts, any of those programs, you'll find the list here. Along with that, Christ University also has doctoral programs and all those things, so you can please check it up. Again, just for the benefit of everybody, I will be picking up one of the undergrad courses to tell you about it. But guys, here's the list of the undergrad courses. As you can see here, they have listed out the name of the program, the campus in which it is being offered. Again guys, please be very careful of the campus that you're selecting, because there are different courses being offered in different campuses, and then there are some courses that are being offered in all the campuses or some of the campuses. So you need to be very clear of which campus you're applying for. As far as the application forms are concerned, like I told you in my previous video, the application forms are open from the 30th of October 2025, and they will remain open till the 1st of December 2025. So in between this, you can fill in your forms anytime that you want to. They also have this thing of fees where you can check up the individual fees of the program. So likewise, like I just clicked on a program, and they have this fees, which is for Karnataka students, the fees is different. For other Indian state students, the fees is different, and for NRI students, the fees is different. So I hope this is clear to all you people. Now let me give you an example of, let's pick up one course. Okay, let's do this one, which is the BBA honors program. And as you can see, the first year fees is 2,75,000 for students from outside of Karnataka, and same is the case fees for all the 3 years. And then there is an admission registration fees of 8,000 rupees, which is non-refundable, but you only have to pay this after you have gotten selected, so you don't need to worry about it right now. Guys, they also have this thing for eligibility, where you can check out the eligibility criteria. Usually the eligibility criteria for the courses at Christ University is that you need to pass your class 12 from any Karnataka PUC board, ISC, CBSE, NIOS, or any state board. Along with that, for all those people who are writing the boards in next year, you're most welcome to please fill in the forms as well. Along with that, some of the courses, guys, here has compulsory mathematics. Now obviously this is not for all the courses, but guys, please be very careful to check out the eligibility criteria before you start filling in the forms, because sometimes students don't have math, but then they still apply to courses where math is compulsory, and I don't want that to happen, because even if you are allowed to fill in the form, you will fill in the form, you will appear for the process, but Christ University later on will reject you, and that's your money wasted. So I don't want that to happen. And again, other details are there for A levels and all as well, so you don't need to worry about it, guys. As far as I know, the Christ University eligibility criteria is pretty chill, so they want more and more people to apply. In fact, people from different courses and all can also apply. I mean, different backgrounds can also apply for different courses. So it's not like for BBA only commerce students have to apply. People from science, people from humanities, all of those can apply as well. But again, you individually please check out the eligibility criteria of the course that you want to do for. I cannot individually go do that, because it will take a lot of time. Now once you are here and you are sure that you want to apply, then you can just click on apply button for the course that you want to go for. Later on also you can change it, but again let me just do it for BBA honors. Okay, so let let me put apply. Once you open on the apply button, an application window form like this will open up. Again, the process is very simple, guys. You register and you log in, then you fill in the application form, then you pay your application fees, and then the application process is confirmed. For all those people who have not registered, all you have to do is just go click register. Here you need to put in your name, email ID, password, and a number, and then your OTP will come, and after that you'll be registered. I have already registered myself, so I am just putting in my email ID and my address, my password, and then I am doing login. Now obviously, guys, ignore all of these are my previous application forms that I filled when I was making previous year's video. But this year's video, I'm going to be clicking on new application. So this is where it is. Now here again, guys, you have the option of choosing the course that you would want to apply for. Okay, again, let me just pick up the course I want to apply for. I can do any, but just for the benefit of everybody, let me just do BBA or psychology maybe, or even law I can do. I mean, any course, guys. The process, guys, usually remains the same, okay? Obviously, application forms, guys, would differ. Like the fees would differ. Some of them have application fees of 1200, some of them have for 1800. So that you will, once you select the course that you would want to do, you can. Again, guys, if you are confused on which course you need to do and in which campus, please see me for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. I put the link in the description below for that. So, you can just click here. I will be putting the link, and then you can select the time and date when you want. In fact, I would highly urge you to please invite your parents as well, and I would be more than happy to talk to them, and clear the doubts, and we all can be on the same page of which course you want to apply, which course will be really beneficial for you in terms of future demands, and where you want to build your career. So that is very important. Again, coming back to the application form, let me just pick up. I'm not able to find BBA. Yeah? Why is that the case though? Let me just type it up here, BBA. Okay, BBA I got. So they are showing different options for BBA. There is BBA in Business Analytics in Pune, Lavasa, BBA in Decision Science, which is again a very different course. Let me pick up BBA Honors in Central Campus. This, by the way, BBA Honors is offered in Central Campus, Kengeri Campus, Yashwantpur Campus, Delhi NCR. So I'm just clicking on apply now here. Once you apply for this program, there is option of other preferences as well. I'm making it very clear, guys. To be honest, the other preference system doesn't really work here at Trice, but it's a thing that they've been following for quite some time. So again, we will just go ahead with that. Our first preference will be Bangalore Central Campus, and the other one I can just put up anything. So let me just do BBA in Finance and International Business from say Banagatta Road Campus, and third, let me just do BBA in Strategy and Business Analytics from Banagatta Road. Okay, Banagatta I've done, so let's say Yashwantpur. After that, you need to upload a picture. Please make sure that your maximum allowed size is 200 KB, not more than that, and your photo has to be in this format, which is PNG, JPEG, JPG or BMP. Right now, again, I'm just putting up anything that my laptop will send me, which is under 200 KB. So I've just put this random screenshot that I have, and I've uploaded my picture. Okay, now that you please do save and proceed. After that, you need to take on all these terms and conditions. So let's go ahead with that. After that, guys, nationality. If you are Indian, you please write Indian. If you are an NRI student or from whichever place, you can do that. Right now I've done Indian. Apply through overseas sponsor or NRI. For all those people whose either parents are working abroad or your funding is coming from abroad, you have to do yes. For me, I've done no, and then again you put in your gender, male, blood group positive, mother tongue. I've just, guys, done random things, but you please put in the real things here, which is very, very important. Are you differently able? If you're handicapped, then you please write yes. If not, then say no. Do you have an Aadhaar card? Yes. And after that, you can write your Aadhaar card. Along with that, guys, please put in the country, the state that you're from, the place of birth, and how did you know about the institution. I've just put others. And then here is where, which is very important. Here you start need to putting in the details for your sports and extracurriculars. Sometimes students are asking me, Kavach bhaiya, does that really even matter? Yes, guys, it does. So I would suggest you, again, don't bluff, no lying or cheating. But if you played, like I have played basketball, so I will say basketball, and then I'll put in the levels, like I've played state or national or international. So I've done state, and then I'll upload my document here. Right now I don't have the certificate, but likewise, plus you can add more. This is the button to add more. So please add more in case if you played more than that. Suppose you also played cricket, so just write cricket, and then suppose you played the national levels and upload. So likewise you can do that. So please fill in as many as you can. Same is the case with extracurriculars. Trust me, guys, when I say this, Christ University loves people who are all-rounders, people who are very holistically developed. So they love people who are good at sports, good at academics, great at extracurriculars. So in case if you've done those things, I mean, Christ is looking for you, so might as well, put in those things. So like, whatever extracurriculars you've done, if you've been in the part of the choir of your school, or like say, in the debating team or the chess team, any of those dance team, so they have all of those things. So you just need to click on those options and submit with your documents for the the certificates, please guys understand the documents are optional. Okay, so it's not compulsory that you need to give in the documents. For those who don't have the certificates and all that, you can just select the things that you've done and that's it. And later on, obviously they will ask you, but that's more than enough, and I think we can work our way through. You guys can see me for my interview prep and I'll tell you more about how we need to go about that. Okay, so I hope that is clear. After that, guys, please put in your current address and everything. Again, whatever I've done is incorrect, so you guys please don't follow me, but please put in all the information. All this information is compulsory for you to put. Along with that, you also need to put in your parents details, so what they've done, what's their number, all that. Even the local guardians, if you have somebody, so please put in that as well. After that, you need to, this guys is the part where majorly so many students make the mistakes, because this is the part where you need to give in or submit your certificates for your class 10th plus 11/12th. I will go one by one to explain this to you. Guys, firstly, for class 10th, whichever board you've done it from, they have all the option: CBSE, IB, ICSE, IGCSE, which is the O levels, NIOS, other international curriculum, other state curriculums, SSLC, anything that you've done, they are willing to accept, but you need to put in these details and don't lie here, because you have to submit your certificate as well. Which year did you finish your class 12th, which month, and which institute, and which state. So you need to put in that. You need to put in the marks that you've gotten. Now this is the total marks. Guys, please don't do best of 4, best of 5, best of 6 here, because that doesn't work. On your the result sheet, as many subjects that you appeared for, just make a total of that. Suppose if you appeared for 4 subjects, then 400 becomes the total, and how much marks you got in total. So 324, so that becomes 81%. Obviously I've just written this random, this is not my percentage, but I'm just telling that to you. So if you appeared for, like, say 700, like 7 exams, so 700, and if you've scored 550, then your percentage becomes 78.57, which they will automatically calculate, and you have to write the name of your school here, so please do that. After that is class 11/class 12. Now this is where so many students go absolutely wrong, that Kavach bhaiya, my school did not give me class 11 certificate, or I did not appear for this term, that term, all those things. See guys, understand the logic number one first. I would want you to submit the application of your class 11/12 wherever you've gotten the highest marks. I know so many of my students have also not gotten great marks in class 11 because they were chilling, relaxing after class 10th and all those things. So if you have done better in your class 12th term 1 or term 2, you can submit that result card as well. If you feel you've done better in class 11th or class 11 final term or term 2 or term 1, put in that, because higher the marks, the better it is. That is how I can tell that to you in this video. Obviously, if you see me for my personal guidance, I'll be more candid about it and exactly tell you what it is required, but I hope you get that. So for all those people who do not have class 11 because your school did not give, you did not appear, whatever, then you need to get your class 12 term 1, term 2. For those who have class 11th, great. For those who have class 11 but really bad marks and you don't have anything else, we have to submit those. We have no other option, because this application form will not get submitted if you do not submit anything from class 11/class 12, because they need a proof. Now some of you people might have appeared for these exams but you don't have the result card, then please reach out to your school immediately to provide you with the result card, because you need to submit that here. Again guys, I've written all these details. You need to upload the document, so I am just randomly uploading one thing right now, and you guys will also have to upload your certificates, so please make sure you do that. So it's pretty easy. It should be on your laptop and it should be done. I'm just uploading the same thing. You guys don't do that, please. Different for class 10, different for class 11/class 12. I hope it is clear that you need to submit something. And again, here no best of 2, best of 3 and all that. Total subjects that you've appeared for and the total marks that you've obtained, you please write that and they will automatically calculate the percentage. After that, please save and proceed. Now this is the last part of the application process, and this is where you check out all the details. Guys, trust me, later on, once the application form is submitted, you will not be able to change it. So starting from your picture, please make sure it's in a white background and you're wearing formal clothes. I would like that. Obviously this is not compulsory, but the more formal you look, the better it is. Yeah, every impression matters. So I hope you are focusing on that. After that, please make sure you're checking out all the details. Whatever you put in, like dance and choir and basketball, football, all those things are put out really well. So whatever you've done, please make sure you put out these things. It really matters. Please do not bluff with your marks and all those things, and you need to submit your class 11th class 12th plus class 10th, which is very important. Okay, so for all the students who are watching this video outside of India, if you will have to click on yes, and the Indian students will have to click on no. So do you wish to attend the process outside India? Like right now, I'm just doing it for NRI students and then I'll come back for the Indian students. Say yes. Like I said, guys, 7th of December is when you have the entrance test and it's in an online platform. For your skill assessment, micro presentation, and personal interview, for the NRI students, they have centers in Bahrain, in Doha, in Dubai, in Kuwait, in Oman, and in Saudi Arabia. Right now, let me just do Dubai, and then you can select your date when you want to appear for the skill assessment, micro presentation, and personal interview. Guys, all of these things will happen in one day itself. Let me just do it 13th of December, and then you select. This is, I'm just giving it as an example. After on, guys, later on they will tell you the exact venue where you need to appear for your skill assessment, micro presentation, and personal interview in Dubai. But this was just for the NRI students. So I hope that is clear. Now this is again, you select Bahrain, and then you'll have those places and all those things. Now coming back to the Indian students, what do you need to do? You will again select 7th because you have your entrance test on 7th. This again is online for all the students outside of India and inside of India. So you will have to give it from your home itself, which is again a very good thing. Last year they had it offline, and this is they have it online, which is again a good thing. Now for skill assessment, micro presentation, and personal interview, again you need to select your venue, and this again, guys, they have multiple centers across the country. So Vishakhapatnam, Trivandrum, Siliguri, Shimla, Shillong, Secunderabad, Raniket, Ranchi, Rajkot, Raipur, Pune, Patna, Patiala, Nagpur, Mangaluru, Lucknow, Kolkata, Kohima, Kochi, Jalandhar, Jaipur, Guwahati, Delhi NCR campus for all the Delhi NCR people, Dehradun, Coimbatore, Chennai, Bhopal, Bangalore Yashwantpur campus, Bangalore Kingeri campus, Bangalore Central campus, Bangalore BGR campus, Andaman and Nicobar, Ahmedabad. So all of these are the places right now. Like just because suppose I am from Punjab, then for me Patiala is the place where I'll have to go. And the dates that are available is either 13th or the 14th. And I am just doing 14th, and then I accept. So on the 14th I'll have to appear for this process. So I hope this is clear. After that, guys, application fees you need to prepare. This is 1800. Like I said, some courses will have 1200, some of them have 1400, some of them have 1500, some of them have 1800. So depending on the course that you're applying for, you can do that. Once you say I accept, then you can directly go pay now, and then you can pay with your debit card or NEFT or UPI. All of those things are possible. Now, one doubt that people are asking me is, Kaval, can we apply for multiple courses in this round itself, in the December round itself? The answer to that is yes, guys, you can do that. Obviously, each time that you apply, you will have to pay this money of 1800, 1200, 1400, all of that. But you are most welcome to do it. So I hope, guys, this much is clear to each one of you of how you need to fill in the forms. If in case I still have missed out on anything, please make sure you comment below, and I'll be more than happy to reply, because guys, I don't want you to make any mistakes when it comes to application form, because later on they will not be able to change it. Sometimes students have gotten the percentage as 81, and then on the application form they've written 68, and then that makes a lot of difference, and I don't want that to happen. So I hope that is clear. Again, guys, if you're new to my channel, please check out my YouTube channel, because I have created tons and tons of content on various colleges and courses, and you'll find all the authentic information here. Along with that, guys, please see me for my personal sessions. It's high time that we start preparing for micro presentation and skill assessment, for interviews, and firstly and most foremost, decide on which course you want to apply and which all colleges you need to apply and all of that. So I hope this is clear. I apologize, guys, for making this video too long, but I had to clear each and everything that was there. So I hope everything is clear. Please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram. I'll see you all with another video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.